So Nike has been blessing us with holiday kicks by supplying us with Jordan 11 releases. Let's start off with the Cool Grays. The Cool Grays were dropped on December 11th, 2021 for $225. That's a pretty nice kick, if I can say so myself. Nice materials on it, and I love the suede on the Cool Grays. But then, in 2022, December 10th, they hit us with the Cherry 11s. Take a look at the cherries. The cherries have that beautiful patent leather on there. You see the red, but you also see that nylon that's attached to the upper. And just when you thought it couldn't get any better, Nike went ahead and did this. Oh yes, they did. On December 9th, Nike is going to bless us with the Jordan 11 Gratitudes. So let me know what you think about the grass. What's going on? You know who it is. It is your boy. It is I, MTIP. That is Mr. Think I'm Possible, where I challenge you to think that I'm possible. Today, we're going to take a look at the Jordan 11 Gratitudes. I'm calling these the Grats. And let me tell you, these are something to be grateful for, and these are special. We're gonna start by taking a look at the box. You see the 23 we have there on the box with the gold ring, the little pull tab right there. That's not how you open the box, it's just for you to pull it off the shelf. You see the size there, size 12, personal pair. And as we open up this box, you see a nice little note there, something a little special about the tissue paper flying out, but you see it says, thank you. And on the inside of that thank you, we have on the tissue paper, we have thank you in different languages. Yes, yes, in different languages. They're showing their gratitude to us by saying thank you in different languages. I'm not even going to try. I'm not even going to attempt to repeat what's on that tissue paper. Let me go back to the front. You see my box did catch a little bit of little smashage, but guess what? It's okay. It's all good. I'm still grateful. Let's take a look at these kicks. Ladies and gentlemen, take a look at the Jordan 11 Gratitudes. Take a look at these beauties. We're gonna start off with the front. You see that milky, just that milky white sole that comes around the top with that patent leather. As we come around to the side, you see right here, we have leather embossed over the top. Beautiful patent leather with that Jumpman. Look at that Jumpman just shining. Jumpman with the 23 on the heel tab there. What a beautiful kick. Starts off with the white laces, and right down that tongue, we have Jumpman Jordan. You'll know what it is. You got the Jumpman Jordan right there with the white laces coming around to the tongue. And on the inside of the tongue, on that tab, you see what we have there. We have to thank you as well. On the inside, quality basketball product created in gratitude by the greatest player ever. Let's go. So let's talk about the quality of these, right? A lot of comparisons between this and the DMPs. So the quality here, the patent leather just feels awesome. I mean, this is grade A, right? Now, we have this tumble looking leather on the side panel right here, but let me tell you, this tumble leather is not as soft as the tumble leather that's here on the tongue. So there is two different qualities of leather that has been placed on the shoe. I know it looks the same, it looks similar, but this material right here is different than material right there. Shout out to a couple of shoe tubers that pointed that out. And now that I have this in hand, I can actually see the difference. Let me rewind a little bit. Let's take a look at that bottom. As we take a look at that milky white bottom, You see the herringbone, you see the Jumpman logo there, and that milky white. Yo, these are dope. These are dope. And you see that carbon fiber. You see that little hints of, ooh, look at, woo, woo! I'm out here making all this noise outside. Police done drove by me already and everything. But listen, look at them. The little hits of gold going on there. Oh, that is so fresh. That is so dope. That, my friends, are so dope. So this is supposed to shop drop. It shop dropped on November 14th, 2023. It's going for a retail price of $230. The actual release date on it is December 9th of 2023. Now, these are very similar to the DMPs. However, there are a few differences between the two. All right, number one, there's a higher cut patent leather on the mudguard, as you can see right there, right? Beautiful kick. We have a shinier Jumpman on the heel. So on the heel, we have a shinier Jumpman. The 23, that's on the spine, is its own piece, and it's not printed on. And as I showed you already, you can see the difference on that milky, I mean, just that milky outsole. So guys, let me know what you think. While I have you right there, you know, if you're feeling this content, if you're feeling, you know, my videos, go on and drop a like for your boy. Subscribe to the channel. That helps the algorithm out. And guess what? I'm grateful, all right? I show my gratitude to you. Also, man, happy holidays, happy Thanksgiving to you and your family. I can tell you right now, take it from me, your boy's gonna eat, all right? All right, I'm gonna eat. I'm probably gonna eat too much. All right, so that's why I'm dropping this video now, because Thanksgiving tomorrow, I'm probably gonna eat too much. But let me know, what do you think about these kicks? Do you plan on copping them? Is this a must-have for you? For me, I am an 11 fan. These are dope. You see what they've given us in the past. You see, man, Nike has been blessing us with the 11s during this season of December, and they did not disappoint. Guys, I appreciate the love. I appreciate the support. I appreciate the views, and I'm grateful for you. Holla.